Thailand has long been a popular spot for tourists and expats. However, new rules have made it harder for foreigners to open bank accounts. Starting February 17, 2025, new rules went into effect. These rules focus on foreigners applying for bank accounts. This includes those applying for visas that need a minimum balance in their account. The non-immigrant O retirement visa requires 800,000 baht. Banks are now more careful. They're turning down applications, often saying the reasons are unclear. This is especially true for tourists. Tourists with visas valid for less than a year are having trouble. Even existing accounts aren't safe. They can be suspended. Reasons for suspension include suspected money laundering and fraud. Connections to terrorism financing or drug and human trafficking can also lead to suspension. These regulations are creating uncertainty for foreigners. Many are now wondering about the future of their banking in Thailand. The crackdown is a response to growing worries about financial crime. Thailand aims to fight fraud, money laundering, and scam call centers. Many of these criminal operations are based in nearby countries. Myanmar and Cambodia are often named as sources of these activities. The Bank of Thailand is taking this seriously. They've frozen 1.8 million suspected money mule accounts. Over 2,500 account holders have been arrested in the past year. The crackdown has had a big impact on foreigners. Many are struggling to manage their money. Thai authorities are actively investigating various groups. They are looking into telecommunications companies. Digital platforms and e-wallet providers are also under scrutiny. Even individuals are being investigated for involvement in banking crimes. The investigation focuses on the different methods used for financial crimes. This includes fake websites designed to steal information. Messaging apps and social media platforms are also used to trick victims. Authorities are trying to identify and shut down these channels. One challenge is matching mobile bank accounts with SIM card owners. Foreigners often use their spouse's name for SIM card registration. Company accounts registered under a managing director's personal number are also a problem. This mismatch makes it hard to track account ownership. The government is working to improve its systems. It aims to better track and control financial transactions. Increased scrutiny and stricter enforcement are expected. New mobile banking rules have been introduced to combat money mule accounts. These rules require stricter identity verification and transaction monitoring. The goal is to prevent the misuse of mobile banking services for illegal activities. According to the Bangkok Post, the crackdown includes stronger cybercrime units. The government has launched public awareness campaigns to educate citizens. Seminars and workshops are being held to inform the public about the new rules. The goal is to make sure everyone understands the importance of safe banking practices. The crackdown has been criticized for its broad approach. Critics argue it creates more problems than it solves. Law-abiding citizens are inconvenienced while criminals adapt. They are calling for a more focused strategy. A more targeted approach would concentrate on the real criminals. This would minimize disruptions for regular people. It would also allow authorities to put more resources towards high-priority cases. How long the crackdown will last is unclear. Some estimates suggest it could last several weeks. It depends on the progress of the investigations. The situation is still developing. It's too early to tell the long-term impact of these regulations. However, one thing is certain. The banking landscape in Thailand is changing. Foreigners will need to adapt to these changes. That wraps up our quick update on the Thai bank account crackdown and what foreigners need to know. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the video on your screen for more related content and explore our channel for a variety of exciting videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Globe Gazette for more in-depth reporting. Your support means the world to us, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.